The big story that we are tracking at the top of this hour, KTR, he has been named in the remand report, but he has not been charged. BRS working president KT Rama Rao, he has reacted to his name being mentioned in the remand copy of the Vikarabad collector attack case. He has in fact challenged the Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy to arrest him if he wants. KTR asserted that the case is completely false and fabricated. KTR's name was mentioned in the remand copy after former BRS MLA of Kodangal, Pattanam, Narendra Reddy, who was taken into custody on Wednesday morning for questioning in connection with the attack on officials in Vikarabad on Monday. He claimed that he took orders from BRS working president KT Rama Rao for this attack. Listen in.
Firstly, it's a false case, a fabricated case. Revanth Reddy government has been a complete abysmal failure on all fronts. मैं रेवंत से एक ही बात करना चाहता हूं, अगर तुम्हें इतना ही शौक है अरेस्ट करने का तो कर लो, पर मैं कहना चाहता हूं जो 21 गरीब किसान जिनको आपने आज जेल भेजा उनको छोड़ो. अगर गुस्सा हम पे है, अगर नाराजगी हम पे है, अगर हमको बंद कराना है तो कर लो, बट वो 21 किसानों को छोड़ दो. अच्छी बात नहीं है, क्योंकि आज जो तेलंगाना में हो रहा है पूरा देश देख रहा है कि कैसी आज एक इमरजेंसी जैसी कंडीशन आज तेलंगाना में है, पूरा देश देख रहा है. और रेवंत रेड्डी कोई एम्परर नहीं है, कोई डिक्टेटर नहीं है, इससे बड़े बड़े लोग आए गए. तो रेवंत को भी मैं कहना चाहता हूं, एक गलती ना करो कि गरीब किसान के साथ आप खिलवाड़ ना करो, उनकी जमीन हड़पने की कोशिश बंद करो.
All right, my colleague Uma Sudhir joins us to get us more on the recent developments in this particular story. Uma, first of all, who all have been named in this particular remand report? And KT Rama Rao, he's a prominent leader. How significant is it to have his name in this particular report?
So the incident that happened on Monday, in which a collector of Vikarabad district, when he went to a village, Lakcharla, that's where he was attacked, and it was subsequently said that there's a political conspiracy, and that as soon as he was lured into going to a new location where people were armed with stones and sticks and had attacked him, and subsequently yesterday in the morning, BRS former MLA, Mr. Narendra Reddy, Patnam Mahinda Reddy, was arrested, and in the remand report in the evening, it was put out saying that he had confessed, so to speak, that he was directed by prominent leaders, including Mr. KT Rama Rao, to, in a sense, instigate the accused in the villages in order to defame the government, make some derogatory kind of moves, destabilize the government, defame the government, and also gain political mileage out of it. So KTR has been named but not charged in this particular offence. But yes, there were people hanging around, KT Rama Rao's house yesterday in the night as well as in the morning today, because of this kind of an apprehension and word that possibly he could be arrested or picked up in this particular case. And KTR in fact daring the Chief Minister, saying that whether it was first talking about the phone tapping case, or then talking about the Formula E case, or talking about a rave party at his brother-in-law's house, all these were allegations that were made by the Congress government, and that in none of them they were able to go forward. And in this case as well, KT Rama Rao in fact says that the pharma city, for which 1310 acres was to be acquired by the state government, he says it is in a sense snatching away the land from the tribals, and that is something that the state government should not do, and he's opposing the pharma project there, and he's in fact alleging that there is a, that a kin of the Chief Minister is going to benefit from this particular deal that is happening. And he had also in fact earlier alleged in the Amrit scam as well, saying that there is the brother-in-law of Revanth Reddy who was going to benefit with a 1200 crore kind of a scheme, 1,137 crore tender that had been given. Both those allegations have been strongly refuted by the Congress, saying that all the due procedures were followed in the giving of tenders, and only after the specifications are met with are tenders given, and not on anyone's whim or fancy. And in the case of the allegation of land to a pharma company belonging to the Chief Minister's kin, they are saying that no such deal has been struck at all, and all this is a political conspiracy by Revanth Reddy in order to divert attention, is what KTR says.